Hello everyone. Today we will discuss formatting of text with HTML and how to insert image in HTML. First of all, we will discuss formatting text with HTML. HTML provides several tags that you can choose to make some text on your web pages to appear differently than normal text. For example, you can use the B tag to make the text bolder, and you can use I tag to make the text italic, and mark tag for highlighting the text. We will use all these tags practically, so let's get started. I open an empty web page in Notepad++, and there is no preview. So first of all, I put a tag P inside and I write here this is bold text. For bold text we use B tag, and it close with B and P. And now if we zoom in, then you can see this text is a little bold than P tag, like that text which we will use inside B tag, that will be little bold than normal paragraph text. The next one is strong tag. Strong and B tag are basically quite similar. We use here strong, here is strong, and I put here strong, and here also strong. This is strong. See, strong and bold are similar. So next one is italic. For italic we use I tag. Here I put I, and here I, and there italic. If I zoom in the page, then you can see there is a italic text. Italic means little bit shape is changed. You can see it is italic. Angle is changed. So next we has EM tag. So I duplicate it, and here I put EM, and here also EM, and here I said it EPH ASIZED. So emphased and italic are most similar. Next one we have mark tag. Mark tag used to highlight some text. Here I also use mark. So you see the text which is between mark tag, it has yellow background. Next one we have code tag. We duplicate it, and here I put code, and here also code, and here also code. See, code text is a different font. You can see it is different than normal P text. Like this is, and text are similar and code is different. I duplicate it, and now I put a small tag. Small tag is used to make text little small. You can see this is a little big and code is little small than this one. Next one we will use a subtag. Subtag is little in bottom than normal text. Next one we have delete tag. Delete tag is written by DL. Delete tag has automatically a bar on the text. The last one is inserted text. For inserted text we use INS. Inserted. You see, inserted text is lined under the text. So that was the properties of formatting text with HTML. Now we are moving to how to insert image in HTML. This code I am comment out, and here I close the comment. Now this code is not visible in web page. Here I put, for image tag we use image img tag, like I am going to show you. First of all, I want to tell you image enhancement visual appearance of web page. Image enhance visual appearance of web pages by making them more interesting and colorful. Image tag is used to insert images in HTML documents. It is empty elements and contain attributes only. The syntax of image tag can be like this. I am going to write an image tag. Image tag has img, and second attribute is src. Src means source of file, and alt. Alt tag is basically used for SEO purposes. And here in source I put the image address. Now I have one image in image folder, this one. So I am going to copy the name of this image, and I am going to the path like that. You can copy the path like this and put it here, and slash, and now image name, and file type, image type. If I right click on image, then we can see image type. Image type is JPG. Now if we reload the page, it is showing, but it has the big size. So I am going to little style it. Height is 400, sorry, height is 400 and width is 400. Height width are equal. So now we can see this image, but problem is that why we use this so much long path. Now we know that index page is here in HTML learning folder, so we can target directly image folder. So I am going to delete this one. Now we directly can target image and then image name and image type. Now we can delete this and use this. This is better. So if we want to use online image, then we go to online. I am going to link a flower image, flower pic. I open any image. here it will be shown. I right click on and copy image address. Here I copy the address and I am going to put into src, source of image. So if I reload the page, and now we can use online images. So you can use any image from your computer, and you can use online image from Google or any other website like Pixel and Unsplash or any other which do you want to link. So I hope friends you will understand, and we will meet in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.